Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So, ako po si Said F. Talib and nasa chapter 15 po ako and ito po yung mga part ko. The Romance with Gertrude Beckett, Writings in London, Rizal and La Solidaridad, Adios to London. And sa Romance with Gertrude Beckett, so Rizal had romantic interlude with the oldest of the three Beckett sisters, no? So, si Gertrude. And sa kwento nila ang dalawa, no? So, si Gertrude, as Getty, she was called by her family, was a buxom English girl with brown hair, blue eyes, and pink cheeks. So, she was attractive to the, so kumbaga no, sa madaling salita, to sa unang pagkita pa lang sa kanya sa pagtingin niya kay Rizal is na parang sa unang pagtingin niya sa love at first sight siya kay Rizal. So parang na-attract siya sa being brown skin, physician border na si Rizal. And there was no doubt that she was in love with him. So parang may story sila pero i-summarize ko na lang. On cold winter mornings, she had a sunny smile for him, chattering gaily like a hummingbird. During the family picnics, she was particularly very happy because kasama si Rizal doon and parang binigay niya yung lahat ng attention niya kay Rizal, parang pinapakita niya yung intention niya na gusto niya talaga si Rizal. And and in rainy days when Rizal stay at home, she helped him, no? Tumulong siya para para haluin yung mga colors ni Rizal or nag-alalay siya para sa pagprepare ng paggawa ni Rizal sa mga sculpturing or anything na nandun si Rizal. And in this part, so parang Rizal Rizal was drifting to more serious affair, no? So parang si Rizal lumalis siya kasi hindi niya mapanindigan si Getty or Gertrude. So Rizal, for being normal man, found a great delight in Gertrude. Gertrude compassion ships. He was on verge of love himself, but out of loyalty kay Leonora Rivera, he could not reciprocate the English girl affection. So he realized their friendship was drifting. Ito na yun, parang hindi niya parang nabulabog, parang gusto nila parang may nangyaring hindi niya inahasahan, kaya parang umalis na lang siya kasi hindi niya mapanindigan si Gertrude kasi mas mahal niya si Rivera. Kaya umalis siya kasi hindi niya mapakasalan or mapanindigan. So dito naman sa Writings in London. So Rizal wrote many things in London, including articles for La Solidaridad. And he also wrote a pamphlet entitled La Vision del Fray Rodriguez, published in Barcelona, 1889. In this pamphlet, Rizal demonstrated two things. The first one is that he profound knowledge of religion, and number two is beaten satire. So in this sa kwento na ito, parang may nasabi si Rizal na saan na yun siya. So parang sabi ni Rizal, no, sa wrote pamphlet entitled La Vision del Fray Rodriguez. So in this pamphlet daw is a satire presenting a spirited dialogue between St. Augustine and Father Rodriguez. So St. Augustine told Father Rodriguez that he he Saint Saint Augustine Saint Augustine was commissioned by God to tell him Father Rodriguez of his stupidity and inform him of his penance on earth, that he, Father Rodriguez, should continue to write imbecility to the old men, so the old men may laugh at him. So yun na po yung nasa kwento na kaya merong two things na binigay si Rizal. So and sa next page is ito yung Rizal wrote another famous letter to the young women of Malolos in February 1899 in Tagalog. So parang may point, parang may main point dito sa letter na ito, kaya nasulat ni Rizal. So Rizal, kaya nasulat ni Rizal ito because as a response to the bravery shown by group of young women from Malolos, Bulacan, who defied Spanish colonial authorities by requesting permission to open a night school for Filipiñanas. That letter was written to commend their courage and to encourage them to continue their education and empowerment. So it because is a symbol of resistance against colonial oppression and call for gender equality and justice in the justice in the Philippines. So ito yung main point niya, to Filipino mother should teach her children love of God, fatherland, and mankind. Number 2, Filipino mother should be glad like Spartan mother to offer her sons in defense of the fatherland. Filipino women should know how preserve her dignity and honor. And lastly, Filipino women should educate herself aside permitting her good racial virtue. So ito na yung point ni Rizal, na kumbaga parang sinasabi niyang yung mga gender equality ng mga babae, and the other thing is parang naging against colonial oppression sa mga babae. And sa sinulat niya ito, mahaba po yung sinulat niya, pero ito po siya, yan. And dito naman tayo sa specimen of Tagal folklore published in journal May 1889, and two Eastern fables published in June 1889. Sa sinulat ni Rizal, wait lang ga. So Dr. Rose, editor of Traveler's Record, a journal devoted to Asian studies, requested Rizal to contribute some articles. In response to his request, the latter prepared 2 articles. Ito yung specimen of Tagal folklore, which was published in journal in May 1889, and number 2, the 2 Eastern fables published in June 1889. So the first article considered the Filipino proverbs and puzzle as follows, no? So meron po itong mga saying na sinasabi dito sa gawa nila. Ito yung parang may translation siya ng English, and parang may translation pala ito ng Tagalog. So ito po yung nagawa nila. and Rizal and La Solidaridad on January 2, 1889. While Rizal was in London, the Filipino patriots and their Spanish friends in Madrid founded a society called Association Hispana Filipina, was for the purposes of working for the needed reforms, which were the very aims to which the propaganda movement was being waged. Wage, wage. And for this para sa sinulot ni Rizal, no? So the president of the society was Don Miguel Moraita, Spanish statesman, professor and historian. The vice president was General Philip de las Corte, who had resided in the Philippines. So Dr. Dominador Gomez was the secretary. So the need, so parang may or parang meron silang society, no? So the need for an organ of the propaganda to combat the written by Spanish detractors was felt by the Filipinos in Spain. So Mariano Pons invited Rizal to edit such as organ, but the latter declined because he was busy. Team Morga. So he was busy. So association with Morgan's successor is in the British Museum. So parang nagtanggi si Rizal kasi medyo naging busy siya, and naging busy siya kay Morga sa in the British Museum. And Lopez Ahena, who was not so busy, founded La Solidaridad on February 15, 1889. So this fortnightly periodical became the organ of the propaganda. 2 days later, Del Pilar reported to Rizal in a letter. So Editor Graciano edits, reports, corrects, proofs, and directs printing, distributes and copies, and even takes them to the mail. It takes them to the mail. and the manager, meaning Mariano Pons, collects data, edits, corrects, proofs, writes the leads, prepares and corresponding, and also distributes the copy. So Rizal congratulate G. Lopez Ahena and his association with founding the propaganda organ as a proof of his approval and cooperation. He became an active contributor to La Solidaridad using the two pen names Dimans Alang and Laong Laan. And to the Adios to London. Adios to London, Rizal was forced to leave London because of her Gertrude love for him. He was still in love with Leonora Rivera. He decided to move to Paris so that she may forget him. So yun na nga, no, parang hindi pa mapanindigan ni Rizal si Gertrude kasi mas kasi mas mahal ni Rizal si Leonora Rivera. So, he decided to Paris to she may forget him. Para makalimutan. To take move on sa mga nangyari sa kanila. And before leaving in London, before leaving London, so nag-iwan siya ng mga ginawa niyang sculpture works. Sculpture works, no? Kumbaga, number 1 is the Prometheus Bound, the triumph of death over life, and the triumph over the science over death, and composites. And the lastly, ito ang ginawa niyang the Three Beckett Sisters. Head of the Three Beckett Sisters. So, the last mentioned sculpture work he gave as a farewell gift to the Beckett sister later. So, parang ito, so sa number 4 is ginawa niya ito para sa magkakapatid, no, as a remembrance niya yun. And later Rizal sent the triumph of death over life and the triumph of science over death to Blumentritt in Letrem Roods. And the lastly is adios to London. In the middle of March 1889, Rizal departed to Rizaldo. So dito na po naglipat si Rizal to move to Paris. And that's all. Thank you.